Samsung has want to make the most powerful phone in the 2025, which is the Samsung Galaxy 25 Ultra. Right now, we have some reliable leaks related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to leak, we are getting two camera upgrades in the S25 Ultra, and the S25 Ultra come with four cameras. Samsung has decided to use same 200 megapixel main sensor in the S25 Ultra, which he used in the S24 Ultra, but it will be optimized for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's hardware. That is Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 camera ISP. Then we have the 5X lens again coming at 50 megapixel resolution, followed by a brand new 3x 50 megapixels optical zoom sensor, along with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide angle. Right now, we have another leak related to the S25 Ultra performance, which is a very good news for gamers. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra come with 16 GB RAM with the industry's first LPDDR5XD RAM, which has the industry's fastest performance of up to 10.7 GBs per second for on-device cloud gaming, and with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, it's make the phone so powerful and unbeatable, and according to the source, Galaxy S25 Ultra run genuine impact easily with 1080p resolution. This game demand most of the graphics, and no other phone in the planet which can run this game at 1080p resolution, so this has to be a huge upgrade. Now let's talk about the price increase of the phone. S25 series come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. So Samsung has need to increase the price of the phone than the last generation compared to the 8 Gen 3. Lastly, we have the same performance level in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which we have in the Apple M series laptops. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.